Team of the Year award. Thank you, sir, for giving away the prize. Next, from the boys' side, we also have one more. That is Master Pritish Devarma. So let us welcome Pritish on the stage. Selamat bersimak Master Pritish Devarma buat abang kelas kena berlangsung di temu. Lain kena buat singkok kena jasa buat abang sama kelayu. Taham kepun itu abang bagi singkok bonola sampai singkok tak selamat bersimak guys.
thumbs in, elbows up, bend knees, feet apart, head bend, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, unto the King of Kings. Thumbs in, elbows up, bend knees, feet apart, head bend, turn around, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, making melodies in my heart, unto the King of Kings. Thumbs in, elbows up, bend knees, feet apart, head bend, turn around, tongue out. Thumbs in, elbows up, bend knees, feet apart, head bend, turn around, tongue out, sit down.
You are not so much excited like me. I want to take excitement from Don Bosco Nian. I am a Navodayan. Okay? So I am also Australian. So I want to take excitement from you and I want to see how much excited you are as Don Bosco Nian today. Okay? First of all, I am very much happy to be here among you all. First of all, I convey my deepest regard to Animesh sir, Joint Director, Secondary Education, Government of Tripura. Here our Deputy CM sir was there. He gave very well speech for every one of us and motivated us, inspired us. All the fraternity from Don Bosco Nian family and all the Don Bosco Nian and Amma Babu of Don Bosco Nian. Nun kaham de? Jotono khulum kha. Ani kisa kokborok ko koksadi. Kisa bujio. আমি বাংলা হিন্দি ইংলিশ মিক্স করে বলবো তাকে আমার গার্জিয়ান যারা আছে তারাও যাতে বুঝতে পারে সো আর ইউ হ্যাপি ডন বস্কো নিয়ান আর ইউ হ্যাপি সাউন্ড সিমস টু বি স্টিল লো আর ইউ হ্যাপি স্টিল আই এম অ্যালোন ইউ অল আর টুগেদার আর ইউ হ্যাপি অল ডন বস্কো নিয়ান Okay, this must be the excitement among you. Okay, we should be always excited to do good thing in our life. We should be always happy in our life to do good thing in our life, to live in peace, to love everyone. We should love everyone. We should help everyone to achieve their goal, and also I should achieve my goal in my life. This should be the motto. We should help each other. So, I am very much, for the first time I came here in the school of yours. When I have joined 4 to 5 months ago, this subdivision, your principal sir and some of the Don Bosco Nian brothers, they went to my chamber and they were telling me, sir, our land, we are stuck with a problem in our land. We are not getting allotment. At school, how come a school is not getting allotment? Because personally I believe, like Jishnu sir also, it is only education that can change all the society, all the problem. It can solve all the problem of the society. It can vanish away the crime, blow away the crime from the society. It can bring lot of love among people. Education bring lot of change in the society. So I feel, আমিও বুঝি যারা গার্জিয়ানরা আছেন এখানে ডন বস্কো স্কুলে পড়াচ্ছেন আপনাদের ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে এডুকেশন ছাড়া, শিক্ষা ছাড়া আমরা আমাদের ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে সুন্দর ভবিষ্যৎ দিতে পারবো না। আমরা যদি চাই যে আমাদের সমাজ পরিবর্তন হোক, আমাদের ছেলে মেয়েরা ভালো হোক, একমাত্র এডুকেশনে এনে দিতে পারে। শিক্ষিত সমাজ, শিক্ষিত ছেলে মেয়ে পৃথিবী চেঞ্জ করতে পারে, সমাজ পরিবর্তন করতে পারে, পরিবার পরিবর্তন করতে পারে। আপনি দেখবেন আপনার গ্রামে, পাড়ায়, যে কোনো পাড়াতে একটা ছেলে যদি একবার বিএ পাস করে গ্রাজুয়েট হয়, তাকে দেখে দেখে আস্তে আস্তে 4-5 বছরে 2-3টা ছেলে গ্রাজুয়েট হয়। এরপর দেখবেন আরও 4-5 বছরের মধ্যে কয়েকটা ছেলে পোস্ট গ্রাজুয়েট এমএসসি পাস করে। এরপরে দেখতে দেখতে দেখবেন কয়েকটা ছেলে ইঞ্জিনিয়ার পাস হয়, ডক্টর পাস হয়। এভাবে ধীরে ধীরে গ্রামের মধ্যে আস্তে আস্তে চেঞ্জ হতে থাকে। কি করে চেঞ্জ হয়? অনলি এডুকেশন। আপনারা খুব ভালো সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন যে আপনাদের ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে এমন ভালো স্কুলে পড়াচ্ছেন, ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্কুলে পড়াচ্ছেন, বিকজ ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্কুলে পড়ানোর দরকার আমাদের ছেলে মেয়েদের। তাহলে আরও বেশি তাড়াতাড়ি ডেভেলপ হতে পারে আমাদের ইন্ডিজিনাস পিপল। আমি মনে করি মিডিয়া অফ ইনস্ট্রাকশন, ইন্ডিজিনাস ছেলে মেয়েদেরকে যদি ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম করা যায়, তাদের স্কুলে পড়াতে পারেন, তাড়াতাড়ি ডেভেলপ করবে ওরা, তাড়াতাড়ি গ্রেপস করতে পারে ওরা, খুব ভালো করে এগিয়ে যায়। আমি সারা ত্রিপুরাতে 13 বছর ধরে ঘুরছি, 13 বছর ধরে ইন্টিরিয়ার এলাকাতে ঘুরছি, সাবরুম থেকে শুরু করে একদম নর্থ ত্রিপুরা, কাঞ্চনপুর, যেখানে যেখানে দেখেছি ভালো স্কুল, ছেলেমেয়েরা ভালো পড়ছে, এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে আমাদের সমাজে। তো এটা পারবেন, আপনারা করছেন। और डॉन बॉस्को चिल्ड्रन आपके लिए, ठीक है, फॉर you should be excited always. You should see good dream, big dream. Always you should see dream. Don't be afraid you are in Mandai. Don't be afraid your home is in Patni. Don't be afraid your home is Chachu Bazar. You are the children of God. See, Einstein had one brain, 2 hands. I think all but Don Bosco has 2 hands. Einstein had 2 legs like me. You also have 2 legs. Einstein had 2 eyes. You have 2 eyes. So God has given everyone everything. So why the difference is? Difference क्यों है? Do you know? All of us who are sitting here, we haven't chosen the country we will be born. We haven't chosen the area where we will be born. We haven't chosen our parents. We haven't chosen our family where we will be born. We haven't chosen our religion to which I will be born. You will be born. Have you chosen? किसी ने चूज किया मैं अमेरिका मैंने जन्म होने के पहले, बात होने से पहले मैं अमेरिका जाके जन्म होगा, मेरा बात होगा, मेरा कोलंबिया में बात होगा, मेरा उदयपुर में बात होगा। नेवर, वी हैव नॉट चोजन, हमने नहीं किया, आप नहीं कर सकते हो। तो बात इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट का क्या है? बात बी, याद रखना ये चीज। बी इज फॉर बात, वी हैवंट चोजन। डेथ, डी फॉर डेथ, अल्फाबेट में एक वर्ड है डी। डेथ वो भी आप चूज नहीं कर सकते हो। আমরা ডেথ চুজ করতে পারি না। এখন মরে যাব, আমি এখন বলতে পারি আমি মরে যাব, আমি মরতে পারবো না। আপনি চেষ্টা করে দেখুন, आप चूज करो, you choose to die, now you can't. So death is not in our hand, not in our control. Birth is not in our control, not in our hand. But what is in our hand is C. In between B and D comes C. C means choice. C means choice. What choice we make in our life. Now you can choose. I am in Patni. I born in Patni. I am very weak. I am weak in English. I can't progress. You can choose. Otherwise you can choose. What happened? If I am from Patni, if I am from Mandai, I am not worried. I am not afraid. I will study hard. I will study all the books of the library. I will read all the books of the library. I will go to all my teachers to know what is to be done, what not to be done. I will read. That is in my control. So to be good, to read, to prosper in life, to do hard work is in my control. It can be my choice. I can choose. I will do hard work. I can choose that I do good work. I can choose I will love everyone. I can choose I will work, read 12 hours a day until I get good marks in exam. Or I can choose, I will not study. I can choose, I will waste my time. I can choose, I will quarrel with everyone. This choice will make difference. So I believe, my dear brothers and sisters of Don Bosco Indian family, you will choose the best thing and you will achieve. And one day, world will be proud. The society will be proud of you. Your parents who are sitting here will be proud of you. They will be proud of you to have children like you, son like you, boy like you, daughter like you. So make us proud. Make us proud. Make your parents proud. Let God bless you without any prejudice. So I pray to God that all the blessings should come on you and you achieve the highest success in your life. Thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
dance from Bodo community. Next, we have from Mizu community, Tabal Mizu Bosabul Musamu. dance of the Assamese tribe. Tabon the Assamese song in this hamon.
This evening, I am greatly honored to be present among you all. Just before few items, we had a lively character over here, the SDM, and he really enthralled all of us by his words, and we were taken up. After being here for some time, I have observed something spectacular performances over here by the students, and I take this opportunity to congratulate all the students who have performed. I'd like to congratulate Father Joel Eka, the principal of Don Bosco School Mandai, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff members who are part and parcel of this formation that is taking place over this Mandai Don Bosco School. Congratulations to dear teachers and students for this wonderful performance. I also extend my hearty greetings to all the parents of the students of Don Bosco School Mandai. You have come here today also, is a Parents' Day. I'd like to convey my greetings to each and every one of you. The beautiful theme that is presented over here, freedom with responsibility. There's a saying, your freedom ends where my nose begins. Your freedom ends where my nose begins. Dear parents, at times we think that it is only the duty of the school to teach our children to be responsible. Unless and until we nurture children right from small onwards, the school cannot do anything. We have to instill in children the virtues of life, and the school nurtures it. If we have not sown the seed of responsibility to our children in our homes, we don't expect our teachers or the schools to instill in them. We only start nurturing them. And parents play a very, very vital and important role in the formation or education of a child. We cannot shirk responsibility of taking care of our own children. Most of the time, what happens with us is we become excessively doting or excessively petting parents. We become permissive parents. As a consequence, we do immense harm to our child. We forget to teach our children to accept no for an answer. Whenever children ask something, most of the time we say yes, 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 yes. And if they cry a little, we all again give in to whatever they demand. By doing so, we give a negative message to our children. Dear parents, and the teachers, we are asked to form our children to be responsible person by making them accept no for an answer. Each and every time, life will be not rosy, cozy and glossy for them. They will be facing difficulties, challenges in life. Unless and until we teach them now, later on they will find extremely difficult. A very, very beautiful theme has been presented to all of us. And I congratulate the principal and every one of you present here, and hope today's program was a wonderful one. I hope the rest of the programs will continue. And once again, my heartiest congratulations and greetings to each and every one of you, all those who are present. Thank you for giving me this honor to address you all. Thank you, and may God bless each one of us. Thank you.
लड़की a bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She tell me I'm with a bum diggy diggy bum bum. With a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
Father Joel, principal of this institution, Father Hubert, parish priest, Brother Anand, principal of Don Bosco School, Agartala, all the guests present today, guardians, and my dear students. I think it's very difficult to listen to a speech after a very entertaining act, but still I have not give a very long speech. First of all, to the guardians, I'd like to say that you all are very lucky to have an institution like this in this place. Like during the welcome speech, Father Joel said that I am also a Bosconian, and for studying in Don Bosco School, I had to go to another state. Back then, we did not have any Don Bosco institution in our state. So for that matter, even we had a very few number of English medium schools. So you all are very lucky. This generation is very lucky in our state to have Don Bosco institution over here. As you know, Don Bosco is a world brand. So having education from Don Bosco is a big advantage. Anybody can know that you had a good quality education if you are a Bosconian. That much guarantee the brand provides you. So all the students, you all are very lucky. Secondly, for those who have not taken part in any of the activities during the last 1 year and who did not have an opportunity to get any prize today, to them I would like to share my own story, small story. I was in government school before going outside the state for my studies. Till class 5 I was in a government school. During those days we didn't have a proper building. Bamboo houses were the kind of schools we had. Up to class 4 or 5th standard, I did not participate in any of the school activities during sports, annual sports meet, or any activity for that matter. There was one cousin of mine, every year he used to collect few prizes from sports. Every year. I did not have the confidence to participate because I thought that I was not good enough. But 1 year, I had made up my mind that this year I'm going to participate, no matter what, whether I win or lose, doesn't matter, but I have to try my luck. It so happened that that year, I collected 2 prizes from sports. But that cousin of mine, he did not get any prize that year. It doesn't mean that I became a sportsman, but anyhow, that year he did not collect any prize, although he went on to become a sportsman later on. That is another story, but what I mean to tell you is that we often underestimate our own self, thinking we are not good enough as something. Most of us would underestimate ourselves. So that is the difference actually between a successful person and a not so successful person. If we have confidence on our own abilities, nobody can stop us. So that is the message I want to give to all the students, that you might have so many hidden talents in studies, in various other activities, which can later on take you to your optimal potential of achieving anything. So this is what I want to tell all the students. Never underestimate yourself. Nobody is good for nothing. Nobody is good for nothing. Everyone is gifted with something which you only are good at it. Nobody else is good at it. So this much faith we must have on ourselves. Once you have this, I think nobody can stop us. I will also speak few words in Kokborok for the benefit of some of the parents who might not have got my point. Jeng ang kisah Kokborok by sanang musunggo, joto oro bunga ufa okra cakrar ni bagai, event cerai ni bagai. Jeng belai keno laki, mana jeng belai keno laki oro je kaisa Don Bosco school unka. Sini Tripura hastewa kebang ma jaga am tigai school kerai, ani nijeni parau bo kerai. Ani parau bo kuno English medium school kerai, tabuk sak kerai. Engkai oro kaisa je school songcajakha, abo belai keno nang hamkukha o jaga ni bagai. Haksal ni borok ni cerai khonai rogo pore rahne wansogo haipano o elaka ni bagai belai keno abo kaisa kaham kuk engkha. Engkai ang sanang musunggo ang nijebo Don Bosco porekha Don Bosco ni past people abon bagai tini ang oro guest ya ang family member hisabe oro phaika government officer hisabe ya ang borok ni bisengo oro ni koroksa family member hisabe tini bosa phaika o je Don Bosco institution শুধু পড়াশোনারিয়া কাইসা গুড কোয়ালিটি এডুকেশন দিয়ে উলো থাঙ্গই যে কোনো পরিস্থিতি ও খরকসা বরক নিজেনি লাংমানো কাহাম ক্লে সংসানানি বাগৈ যে ধরনের কোয়ালিটি নাঙ্গো বা যে ধরনের সাকনি ক্ষমতা নাঙ্গো আবো যতনো কাইসা ডন বস্কো ইনস্টিটিউশন চাই খরকসা মাননাই सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस माननाय काहाम पढ़ाशोना माननाय काहाम वानसुकमानि माननाय बर' काहामनानि जा जा नांगौ ओ कायसा डन बस्को इन्स्टिट्यूशनाव माननाय आबनि बागै अरनि जारा चराय रग जारा मा फारक बेलायखेनो आं मानसुगो माने खूब लाकी नै जत चरायनि थानैनो कायसा एमन क्वालिटी तंगो अन्न केबनि थानि करै abo o khoroksa borok ni thani no tongoi mano joto borok ni thani tongoi mano abo kaisa joto chrai rok no abono once abono bisas klejani nangnai poito klejani nangnai tai kaisa kok nikai guardian dom ni bagai tabuk je sal tabuk ni je dunia abo pal doi thangka chung je fru chrai khonai tongmani a jora bai tabuk ni jora onek phellayo जों गार्जेन हिसाबै बेसिरभाग समय तामख्लाय आनो आनि माफा बाहायख्लाय तर रेखा लग रेखा आबनो वानसुगै निजेनि चिरायरबनोबो तर रेनानि लग रेनानि जों चेष्टा खालायो बेसिरभाग समयनो जे मास्टार ब बुजागै स्कुलनि समयो ब पराशुरंका ब बिनि स्टुडेन्ट नो बय नो फोरोंनानि चेष्टा खालायो वानसुगो जे अमहाय सारा ताइ फोरोंनानि कोनो लामा करै नै किन्तु ताबो जरा पाल दबै फाइका आबनि बागै चिनि चिरायरगनो ओ जरानि मते फोरोंनानि तुइदुलनानि नायकलनानि आबरगबो जों पेरेन्ट्स हिसाबै मा सोलोंथाय सकां जों पेरेन्ट्स हिसाबै गार्जेन हिसाबै सोलोंनानि नांगौ चिनि चिरायरगनो बाहायख्लाय जों तरिनानि लगरिनानि आबो गेप तंमानि बागै गोबां म चिरायरगनो टेलेन्टेड फानो ब्रगनि जे ओंनानि तंमानि ओंगै माया जे पजिशनाव सगैना तंमानि सगैमानिया जों गार्जेन रक तुइदुलनानि रोंनानि बागै आबन कयमुं जे ताबुंनि जरानो मोजाङै जों चिनि चिरायरगनो बाहायख्लाय तरिनानि लगरिनानि फोरोंनानि आबो जों गार्जेन हिसाबै सोलोंखायसे जों चिरायरगनो ठीक भाबे ओ जरा ओ मलो जों गाहाम फोरोंमाननाय गाहाम खलाय ब्रना तरि लगरि माननाय बसकांगो लांगै जाहाथे ब्रक प्रक्सा सोसाइटिनि सक्सेसफुल बरगै बसाय माननानै आबो कैसा जों ब्रनो याफारे माननाय तो अब सुनना आं सानाय ताई बेसे कग लग रिलिया जतन हामबाय I would once again thank Father Joel and his institution for inviting me over here, and I had really a good time. I hope all of you had a good time. Thank you. Good night.
é o DJ Sekai, produzindo mais uma no mundo de Nárnia. Ó, é o bicho, hein? Oh, na na na, oh, na na na, oh, na na na, oh, na na na, oh, oh, na na na, a maioria das amigas da minha igreja. Oh, na na na, oh, na na na, olha as amigas da minha igreja que doida querendo secar. Na na na, oh, na na na, olha as amigas da minha igreja que doida querendo secar. Segurou? Oi, então solta, bate, dá secar. Então só, vai, não vai. E aí, seca, solta a batida aí. Vai, vai. E eu menina com o tio na mente cantar que é do gostoso. Beijo do gostoso. Oh, na na na, a maioria das amigas da minha igreja só quer ficar. Oh, na na na, olha as amigas da minha igreja que doida querendo secar.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Oh, 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 oh. High music, high flows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui, taqui taqui. Eres un besito aquí, una explota como Nagasaki. Prende los motores de Kawasaki, en la discota Jenny llegaron los Anunnaki, no le baje. El puri sobresale de tu traje, no trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. El puri sobresale de tu traje, no trajo panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Oh, 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 oh. High music, high flows.
He say he wanna touch it and tease it and squeeze it with my piggyback. It's hungry, my nigga, you need to feed it. If the text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ay, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like a witchy boy, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? Got no class, you bitches is broke still. I be talking cash shit when I'm popping my gold grill. I'm a whole rich bitch and I'm working on broke still. The love be so fake, but the hate be so real. El booty sobresale de mi traje, no trae panticito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que tú crees que tú no sabes. Dice que no quiere, pero se quiere comerle el equipaje.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Oh, 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 oh.
Careful when you come through my way. My body already know how to play. The work it, keep it tight every day. And I know you need a taste now. Ooh, falling in love. Give a little ooh, get it well done. Dance on my ooh, make a girl wanna run. We keep moving till the sun come up. I get high in the party. It's a fiesta. Blow out your candles, have a siesta. We can try, but don't know what can stop me. With my talkie once, get my talkie again.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Oh, 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 oh. High music, high flows. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui.
Pulau Tongo Tripura Bosongni. The modeler is Miss Celestina Deverma. She is Miss Celestina
Come on,
from
turn the
Tripura community.
It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the
What a wow.
I got money. No, I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Next, we have Rupini. She is Hippo Rupini. They are belonging to Kawai community. They are Miss Aisri Devarma and Master Rexon Devarma. Borakukai Kawai Posongni, Master Rexon Devarma by Miss Aisri Devarma. They are modern modelers. They are Miss Manishi Devarma and Master Humble Devarma. Borakukai Tabungi Borok Talrak Bahagi Risu or Risumi Borotao Sino Punumi Dogo. Borakukai Bukruk Mansi Devarma by Takuk Humble Devarma.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it,
Our
girl.
next
Get with it, girl.
modelers are from Rupini community. They are Miss Hippo Rupini and Master Bosok Devarma. Borakukai Rupini Bosokni. Borakukai Bukuk Hippo Rupini by Takuk Bosok Devarma.
I ain't got cash. I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, man.
Next modelers we have from Riyang community. They are Master Gabriel Devarma and Miss Elijah Devarma. Borakukai Riyang Bosokni. Borakukai Bukuk Elijah Devarma by Takuk Gabriel Devarma. They are from Sakma community. They are Miss Celestina Devarma and Master Gospel.
With a bang bang. Me and you, girl. You and me. Tap it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Obviously the thing you ever make me feel.
Borakukai Sakma Bosongni, Miss Lydia Devarma by Master Sahil. The modelers are Miss Lydia Devarma and Master Sahil Devarma representing Sakma tribe.
Ako school bagay lang ka. Papa cuma doon na. Bungke, mamu tuli pebat. Umatama,
Mulai
dili lo mulai mamang, tak ada musuh dia, kuburang menambah siwo, mang sampai gendong. Bungke, oh bungke.
Tama babu.
Tanan megan baru dari beje. Hode.
Belai no kostoro samukhnani kepal bo hamya obok thaisa tongma bai orono samungkhai suna nangnai kok sawi tongmani khai dori samungpai manchau
Kunggil. Ya kakak.
sahab
Asal hati kami ada mana nak aja. Asal banyak yang kasa.
gantinya bo kam khumani nahnya
Asal ada bahaya tu.
bos kulo thanga ni cerai jamu ka hamchana bu tungjago
Ada sar napa angsi banyak jable. Mau desa nama musuman bono sar de. Sama si bisa. Kata apa?
Hangke khoroksa rangri ginang borok. Abo hangke bini busla, belai ke bini musung tui tong thogi tongo.
Kena hari tu. Itu wakil nyara nak barang ranyang lo. Hari. Hayo.
Dokter, mau hilang suka, tinggal musuh lihat. Babu, nung nak apa kya?
Babu.
An bagi tam tu kesa.
Babu kisah si gua ka. Kena tup si mana tu?
Ako.
Nukhung rohung kangke ogenan sane oro nok barat tong lai tong jajamani. Rangri krei ajara ono busabo khoroksa hamya sak hamyang ni thangkha.
Haita mongka babu. Rumah baham dia salni sautang gay thangkha. Rang rogo kerei. Doktor rogo bahagi telangani. Barang irang rogo nasiako. Oh matai ro kisah subabai gadi.
Basa belai ke sak hamya laija. Borok doktor thangna ni bo rangri krija. Tai borok nok barat tong ngi tong ma bo rangri mayaku.
Sambung kamera go suka. Tajam kana ba sambung itu menangan. Yang sekarang gede. Ang sambung ni bagai bayar tengana. Ani maju waktu gerade. Babu lumaro hamil kudu ba. Salih sama. Babu angkam ni haye. Hospital thalai ne rang rong mang hake. Kam ni haibe. Tu di, kamu thangsine, kamu kayak naik tongre di, lumba rogo bari tongka, sambil ni hayat mau telang lain gang thang sini au tu kan tini sari go sabung hai tu
besai keba habao thangja kam khainani tai yang borok busa hamya bai puma nogo chaichung chuchung tonglai tongja jamani hake bin basla te khoroksa okra phaikya
Amang school thangsinai kaham ke pore de boi baita walai de aw
hake basla okra school thangka a jorao nok phang rok nok phang rok bo nok bara naituk naisingri tongmani jora hake nok phang rok rang thumna hnai phaika barong nok bara
Oh, bakrai, gang thanga, ha? Bakrai,
Ang may pong sa ke supaya kusuma ko ngana.
musai biang thang, ha? Belum malaya, depan isang oda tong, ha? Musai biang thang,
sabung tangan di saku
bang bayo gelap, ani belum nak alarm, alarm, segera mandor si bebede,
takai tu
inde,
nanti babu ang tunggu babu
hake rang man thai man yak nei jole jagai manai khnai kisa bisa tongmani subai bai kha tai yang busabo sak sori hamja jaya belai ke buma dukhu nangjagai kabui tongkha tamsuk ani ke palba hamliya chini ke palba tamsuk bir manin ka hnai hake busaibo habawa thangmani phirokha
samung khai marong bo leng suka pipo ni mai bo khui tong kha nogo hai omorok tamung ba kisa tangai mane ro khitar ton ba
serang zero rimai ani bagai borok sebai kelang baik ya
oh rang genang rok rangmang sanbai sibu gori brong na ka borok kisa borok na siglia borok bahai ke tong kha oh genang rok rangmang
belai ke kha khamlaijak rang bukuri jora tai busabo hamya
Montu, 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 bahai tong.
abake monto ni bufani biniya
ang nunggu tunggu
Kani ni bagi tam di paka. Baci ro khatam kapsa.
oh genang rok nini malik rang genang bo rang san pai mani sing jorao rang rimani bagai borok subai kelang thang bai kya tai nini basui ni bo bui kelang kha
Kunang rok. Ramang hasi thaglia mana musumani. Bini cirai bo. Hai nunggi paka. Keben kok si khanaya. Dau khai drugs ro bo chapo. Te rang ro bo kopo. Dakon ongno nade.
tam no yar
Rang kisa tomane ongno nade.
hi nai nge yar tam khane ne
Kuno yar nade yar.
oh dok yar nini bekhale besik kaham gua hambai do yar hade yang se ani yar rang kalang mabai bono seka hospital telang lai sini
hindi
hingke borok je biniyar bairang jakmani abono no doktor nairasna hine arang bai thanglaika amuni biniyar hangke genang nok ni khoroksa samung tangnaisa muni aipano bo khakaham maya genang ngai bo monto hamyano tano kisa suba jakteng hune je tongkre rang subawi kelang kabin yar somno Jatuh saya mana genang ni bekah baik, keridak ni bekah belai ke jaga open lajar. Oh natok ni pising tu jeng nugi tongo bahai ke tamong
Oh, tak boleh news time dia orang bang. Dia jam kelai dai. Babu nak puri mah tong ni lah.
Oh, babu nak tong blur. Rangsan mana lagi nai? Kya pada kelainya ne? Oh,
Ama.
Aram nong tong ke?
Tong kaya ni.
Kau dolo berkisah pada kelainya tong mana?
Iseng nang ba.
5,000 babu.
Bupa jesano amosen neruo. Hake asrai je bini mosung tui klai rang rotno subayo.
Sudah 5,000 nang lah.
5,000 na babu. Oh babu, mulai bersung mai kena.
Hari dah babu.
Jadi nanya babu.
Om hai mamang ke boje rang nang tru sano je mosung tui sano amosen no bini babu ruo. Hai ke borang 5,000 telange bini dolok no thumui kha. Tong thok lai ni pati khale na hene thum kha.
Malgam tong bagian ale.
Tong baca.
Borang tong bagian sa.
Oh, kaya jaman dokan ni.
Ani lihat to rang tuba. Babu dong nyokor ye.
Aja.
Tini tang semua tendeng nale sini.
Makan.
Gorna asula sini. Jawa kamang kai. Daka asula je.
Sinjau kau berarti ya kisah.
Ek botol setia masih uang kolong.
Hande.
Paham na? Ang sekarang tes kanya rentang kan?
Apa tes kaji kang sukang. Dokter serang semua.
Wah, kepraf le.
Kau juga
punya.
Dakar di papat.
Dakar nama tes kanya sih.
Ako.
Ake borong nunglai sai tong pro aing ti beri rabu himai thamai khalama gan.
Kamu nak mula?
Ada keprau dah. Ikut sana.
Jangan contoh sama kamu.
Beri aing ti himai thamai lama gan nate.
Kamu ber. Mulaan bagi kita. Wah, burung macam-macam mamang. Wah.
Oh, belum lagi ni.
Oh, biar. Bola nunggu kan, nak sini biar kamu je. Oh, beringat kurang, mana sudah pada.
Watch your power, bukan drama nela beri makan. Bosor suara baik klien.
Pada, dong sama aja.
Kau dah berikan berat.
Watch your order. Oh, bilang semuanya. Pada suara senang lain. Ani bang dang busuk ke bangkong. Tadi, nunggu, tong je. Pada suara senang lagi na.
Dok ada.
Tonggo suat tahun ni.
Aku kebang kini do.
Aku nak selesai oleh tuang kena. Kinja, tang suak kira-kira relief apa? Suak sepanjang oleh.
Nong kau kaya sana dah. bagera rang dong sai beri banyak tunggu
Mohon tidak tempat kurban tawan ini. Koni buka tek tapi cikar tunggu.
tamu tuan ni bupo
Drak
drak tambah
misalnya ko selatan orang ke dokter kemana? Drak selatan ke nak kau juga gaji batong.
kubuju babak bolong
Gubernur kohor
gajuri ni drak matu to ni ai ko
tunggu kohor
gajuri nai ne mau banyak sa
hukum bayau bahaya tu
ada kerja
ino
dagang nak ada
nan mari por
Yang ngồi xe khai đi.
Ren, mayung ning serai pun nama saya. Ma mulai suami bukan no.
Pohon ada ni dah komsat bayang kerja pohon
Tông bạ sống sang phải chưa? Người vào cái lòng bulan nó có tăng thêm mắt thằng này xin ơi.
Hakibo cuak nungte drugs besar ini zakat tolok bayi. Abu nombor puila camani. Engke yang bu pakai bono nai sungai dong mokol logui. Tam segler kahne. Yang nogo sok pegang ke besak belai ke besala sorry ham yang zat.
Tamzaning kau bawa basu ler kah?
Besala no nai sungjat. Dogar bui tong kaca. Engke bo pyong na thang ke. Bin besala no sak ham yang mangkam.
Bawa tamu kah? Tamu kah bawa? Nak kerja bawa? Mau kalau piok ada? Kuki? Kuki?
Ini sahab
Kan tadi papa dokter nulki bagi dia thane.
Tamung kah?
Ani papa nang serai. Babu tamu ka mokol piok ade. Babu mokol piok ade. Tambah bahaya siapa? Mokol piok ade babu.
Ini doktor dah tifadi. Mana masih siapa dakti? Dah tifadi doktor. Tamung kasa.
Saya tahu ni kan naik ade doktor.
Ini besar drugs ok na.
Drugs? Ang saya Babu mokol piok ade. Babu. Mokol piok ade babu.
Ini besar drugs besi naman bagai bini lang masuk ha.
An busla tu semaya. Orang bang nang kena ruana rang nang kena rang nana. Tapan busla tu semaya.
Takut dengan di mana belai leka. Ini besar lang mas baik beka. Angkon pun khai malia. Anu nak kerja sini.
Oh babu. Oh babu. Yang kerja kau sampai tangai. Oh babu. Babu. Bisi kamu, bil mana boleh yang kerja kelang thaka, ang tamu sampai tangai. Oh babu, oh babu, ang tamu sampai tangai. Takutnya bukuk sang, nora ang hai tangza badi, ya ke ang hai sekana. Serana kahamkan naik kali tuan badi. Asuk ta piok di borong nai kole borok tamu khalai tamu sa tamu ne joto na kaham ke nai kole ton bai di
बेहाय आंहाय सोरायखौ मा जागानो
Orang borong natok paika. Oh natok ni bising teh, sengbuji manka, cini cerai, rokno, ba cini pesabut di rokno, hai neta piok di, bar jani bising teh piok di henai samani. Freedom with responsibility humaningkai, apa no koktai, cini pesabut di na piok di hai pano. Barjar wei piok di himani kok. Barjar kerei borok kangke, ereng tong kangke bokwang ma ereng samungo gedalai tango.
Boros sopaja. Aji sengkai dono manja pro sengkemai domani. Kya tabuk sengku bono manui seng tabuk yok pani lango sopaja. Abono elam bago sengmusko. John simani kot makaham berem cha betang thamsemiyo. Norok kubunya saimanai, hake aku bunya norok nupiamu. Aw, sung saiman ka, Yesus se kubuni. Hadi sung bo aku bunya, cini korang lagi salaya.
सबसे बड़ी मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी है मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं जब तक मगर झाड़ दूंगा तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा
annual day kai parent day tini igo principal Don Bosco ni father principal father Joel Eka kai Paris Priest father Hubert kai sister Rob kai oro parents of the phajai Rob kai ani kaku buku kai Srai Rob kai tini oro je hai manjak phanai jotono hambai ruo ai bishes khlai tinoro je security phanai ro borong ma bo hambai ai 5 people brok dukan khai tongai borok ma bo hambai ai oro je tinio na choto ko je o manjak phamani noro cost to khai lunga besero jotono hambai